Uh, Hello viewers, today we are making something on a sino truck, something that most drivers complain about my truck is stuck in D. So as you can see, the gear lever is in neutral, but the dashboard is showing it's in D. Like this, you can't start the vehicle. So as you can see, you can't start. Since here on the dashboard it is showing that it's in D. So we are going to look at the switch that controls the neutral switch. Guys, we are behind the truck. We are the gearbox. So on the gearbox on top there are two switches. Is this one? This one controls, is for the reverse. It's a reverse switch for the reverse light. And this one is the one we are looking for. It's called the neutral switch. It's for the neutral. Once you unplug the socket like this, the vehicle again can't start. So the vehicle can't start once you remove the socket like this. So if you go inside to try to crank it, it won't start. And this is mostly a common problem on a sino truck. About a car that can't start. You've checked everything, the battery and everything is just okay. But once the dashboard there is showing it's in D, your vehicle can't start. Yeah. So this is the switch. This is how it looks like. It only has two terminals. So you may call it a safety switch. Without this switch, your vehicle, your truck can't start. So this is how it is. I'm here with a new one that I want to replace it with. So this is a new one that we are going to replace it with. We're going to change the switch and see what happens. So we have just replaced the switch. Carefully we put back the cable. We're going to put back our cable. We're going to plug it in and see what we can do. So I've plugged it back, because if it is not properly plugged in, the vehicle again still can't start. So I've put it back. I've replaced the switch. So let's see what happens inside now. Yeah, so as we can see, the gear lever shift has now changed back to neutral. So you can see even the gear lever is in neutral this side. So when it's neutral like this, the vehicle now can start. We're good to go. So that's how it is when it comes to the issue to do with a car that can't start because it's showing D on the dashboard, or you can't start because of it can't start, well, it's showing in N. That's it. There you are good to go, guys.